Alright, what's up everyone? This is my quick disconnect solution for the Shearwater 125. So on the rudder at the top part, just get tied off to a carabiner. So that's easy. And then back here, I've got bolt running into this. I'll put the parts in the description. And then it's got a quick disconnect, so you push it in, pull it out. It's as easy as that. Same on the other side. Push it in. Easy to do with two hands. Pull it out. Then you just disconnect the D-clip. Let's see if we can do this one-handed. Disconnect the D-clip. And obviously pull out the pin as you would on any of them. And away we are. That's a quick way to set up your rudder for the Bixby, because obviously you don't really want to transport it with it on, because it's a good way to break it. Then obviously just do the reverse to put it all back together, which is not very easy to do one-handed. See if I can do it. Got that bad guy. That's it in. Just this side. Alright, that's it, back together. Now so just stick in the pin. All back together. One-handed. Took no time at all. So yeah, that's the solution for the quick disconnect. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you wanna. See ya.